broke me off. That was not a big drum, you guys. That was a big, giant stingray. Oh my gosh. All right, I got to sign on another rig. I can't even talk about it right now. I'm shaking. I really thought that was the big one. I'm not happy that my rig broke off because I wanted to get that hook out of him. Oh, I miss this feeling. This feeling is awesome. All right, whew. Let's get back out there. Oh my God. Oh, what? Whatever that was, just picked it up and dropped it because I still have the head on there. And a sheriff just drove by. It's definitely strange that a sheriff just drove down the road and turned around and left. That's definitely a little strange. I would even take another bluefish right now. I don't want to end on a stingray. Oh, the heck was that? So guys, I'm definitely not doing anything wrong fishing here. There's no posted signs or anything, and I obviously have my fishing license, so I'm not doing anything wrong. Like, is it a crime for a girl to go fishing? Getting dirty. I'm gonna cut a couple fresh pieces of bait, and these will probably be my last few throws. Some chum out there. Lucky rod holder. Come on, dear Lord Jesus. Give me a good bite.